What's up everyone and welcome to the club. Today I'll be showing you how to draw Spider-Man from Marvel Rivals. Let's begin today's lesson in the center of our page with the top edge of the eyes. We're going to leave a gap in the center. Let's start on the left with a curve going up and then out. Let's line this up over on the right and do the same thing, going up towards the same height. Now I want to bend the eye going back up towards the top. Now we're going to go back to the inside. We're going to curve the eye going out and then down. And then we'll round up the outside of the eye. Starting back on the top left, round this out, come down, and then in. Let's trace the eyes along the inside. From the inside point, work our way around, going a little bit thicker, going up towards the top. Trace the outside. And just pull that up towards the inside. Now I want to fill that trim in black. Now that we complete the eyes, let's move out and draw the lower half of the head. From the outside of the left eye, I'm going to step out, and curve this down, go across the chin, and then up towards the right, towards the same height. Let's go back to the left side and draw the top of the head. We're going to go out, up, round out the head. It's going to work our way down towards the right side, and then bend that in. Now I want to add that webbing inside the mask. So we're going to start at the very top in the middle, draw a straight line coming down, and stop right about there, and we'll split this off. Angle this towards the left and right side. Now from the inside corner of the eyes, come down and in, flatten off the bottom. Now going back to the outside, we're going to add another curve, going up, and then out towards the top of the head. From the outside point of the eye, add another curve going up and then out. Let's work our way down the side with a straight line. Let's go back to these 2 points, angle this down and then out. Let's go underneath the eyes, bend this out and down. Now I'm going to add one more line across the bottom edge of the eyes. Now we're going to go back and add those webs going across. Let's start right in the middle, bend this down and up toward the left and right. Curve this down and then out on top of the eyes. Now let's move up toward the top, add another curve. Come down and out toward the top of the eyes. Let's connect these 2 lines with a curve going up and then down. Go up and then out toward the side. And just tuck that up underneath the eyes. Let's move up and add another one, going across, go up and out, and underneath the eyes. Now with the head complete, let's move down and draw on the side of the body. We'll start over on the left side, curve the body going out, and then down towards the hips. Now from the hips, we're going to curve this in and then down. Taper this up and then out towards the outside. Now we move up, bend this down and in, angle this down toward the hips. Now I want to create a point in the center. Let's go back up, just going to trace that curve along the top, and we'll fill these 2 areas in black. Let's simplify that symbol in the center of the body. We're going to start with a little diamond shape in the middle on the top for the head, and then fill that in black. go to the bottom, coming down and out. And I'm going to extend this all the way down towards the bottom tip. And then we'll fill that in black. Let's go out to the side, bend this down and up. And then from the outside, bend this in and then down towards the bottom. Let's trace this back on the top. And we'll fill these areas in black. Now we'll come back and finish this off later. Let's go back to the center of the body, step down and add a curve, going up and then down. Leave a gap in the center, go to the left side and bend the leg, going out and down towards the left heel. Move over towards the right, go out and down towards the right heel. And then we'll round out the bottom of the feet, coming down and then up. From the outside of the foot, the curve is up, bend this down, aiming towards the heel, leaving a small gap on the inside. Then we'll go back up to the hips, bend the leg, going out and then down on top of the feet. Now we want to add a thick sole across the bottom of the feet. So we're going to take this curve, step up on the toe, and trace that across towards the heel. Let's separate the leg in the center, the curve. From the outside, step up, come in about halfway, and then angle this down. Let's fill that top section in black. Now, going back up to the top, about halfway along the side of the body, bend the arm going out and then down towards the wrist. From the wrist, we're going to draw a small half circle for the thumb, and you want to close off the inside with a curve going up towards the wrist. Let's add 3 fingers on either side. We'll start from the bottom of the thumb, come down, and then bend that up, go to the side, go out, and then up with the second finger. And then the third finger, go all the way around the arm, and just tuck that up underneath the head. Let's separate the top of each finger with a curve going in towards the thumb. And then we'll add the edge of the glove. From the top of the thumb, we'll step up, bend this across, come down, and then back up. Let's line this up on the right, going in the opposite direction. From the inside of the arm, bend this out and then down, bend this out and then up, and then line that up on the right side. Now let's trace this along the top, coming in, go across. Now right here, it's going to pull us up towards the side of the body. Let's fill that area in black. Now from the top of the body, add another curve going out and then down across the shoulders. Bend this out and then up. Now let's trace this back in, stepping up, coming down, bend this up and then in. Now from the top, draw a short angle line coming out, bend this down and in towards the side, and curve this out and then up toward the top of the body. And we'll fill the inside of the areas. Let's finish off with these 2 little points along the top. Fill those in black. And then we'll sign our art and add a splash of color, and that's pretty much it. That's how I draw Spider-Man from Marvel Rivals. I hope you enjoyed today's lesson. If you do, please be sure to subscribe for more videos each day where I'll show you how to draw different characters just like this. I want to thank you for watching, and I'll see you again soon.